In this video, we'll demonstrate how to properly install Performance Accessories Laminate Flush Stair Nose with TrueMatch technology. The Flush Stair Nose with TrueMatch technology is made directly from the laminate plank, creating an exact match between the stairs and the floor. Some flooring designs may contain a higher variety of color and grain patterns, so be sure to pair each stair nose with a closely matching plank for the adjacent stair tread prior to installation for best results. Before the installation, repair or replace any loose or damaged treads or risers. Next, clean the stairs thoroughly, being sure to remove any loose paint, carpet staples, debris, wax, or old adhesives. If you're attaching the stair nose and flooring planks to a finished staircase, the existing treads may need to be lightly sanded to allow the adhesive to bond correctly. Finally, remove any attached pad from the new laminate flooring planks. Measure the width of the first structural tread, subtracting 1/8 of an inch to allow for a 1/16 of an inch expansion gap on each side, and cut a piece of stair nose with a miter or table saw. Note that this measurement will also be used to cut the flooring plank to width for the finished stair tread. Fit the stair nose onto the structural tread, and measure from the back side of the stair nose to the back of the structural tread, subtracting 1/8 of an inch to allow for an expansion gap. This measurement will give you the depth of the flooring plank or planks required to complete a tread. Using these two measurements, cut the tread from a flooring plank with a miter or table saw. Apply tread bond adhesive in an S shape to the underside of the flooring plank. Being sure to leave 1/8 of an inch gap between the plank and structural riser, set the tread in place. Next, apply adhesive to the underside of the stair nose and place it on the edge of the step, making sure it fits flush against the flooring plank before the adhesive dries. Once the stair nose and flooring plank are installed, use an approved hard surface tape to help hold the stair nose in place. Beginning with the first step at the bottom of the staircase, measure, cut, and install the first riser. The riser can be laminate plank for a continuous look or painted wood for a more traditional effect. Repeat this process for all steps, working up to the top of the staircase. Note that each of the remaining risers will be installed over the finished stair tread below. To finish the top of the stairs, use the coordinating Performance Accessories overlap stair nose where the staircase meets the floor. Open steps will also require returns. Measure and cut the back of the return at a 45-degree angle. Attach it to the stair using glue at the joint. Also apply 1 3/4 inch long nails with an 18-gauge brad nailer. Use filler putty to conceal any nail holes. To finish the raw edge of the risers, add end caps or small trim pieces. Once everything is in place and the glue has time to cure, you can reattach any spindles. And now the beautiful new staircase is ready to enjoy.